Good morning, children. So in this video we will study difference between various forms of business organization. Beforehand we have discussed the chapter partnership, sole proprietorship, joint stock company and cooperative society. So in this video we will do the differences between these forms of business. Let us start. The first difference is difference between sole proprietorship and partnership. Here you can see there are three columns: basis of distinction, sole proprietorship and partnership. So the first basis of difference or distinction is members. Sole proprietorship is one man show because there is only one person. In partnership, minimum 2 partners have to be there and maximum 10 in banking and 20 in others. Agreement is not required in case of sole proprietorship, but agreement is essential in case of partnership. Secrecy in sole proprietorship lies with the owner because he is the only person, so जो भी secrets है वो उसके साथ रह सकती है. But in case of partnership, secrecy is difficult to maintain because all the partners know each and every detail about the firm and the partners. Then continuity in case of sole proprietorship depends on the life of the owner. जब तक owner है तब तक business चलेगा. As soon as the owner dies, the business will come to an end. And in case of partnership, greater continuity due to 2 or more partners. Firm end नहीं होता क्योंकि पार्टनर ज़्यादा हैं. अगर एक पार्टनर की डेथ हो भी जाती है या वो ल्यूनेटिक हो जाता है या कुछ भी, तो अग्रीमेंट ख़त्म करके नया अग्रीमेंट बना करके फर्म कंटिन्यू हो सकता है. Then sharing of profit. In case of sole proprietorship, entire profit goes to the proprietor. He doesn't have to share it with anyone. But in case of partnership, the profit is shared between partners as per agreed ratio. Mutual agency. In sole proprietorship there is no mutual agency क्योंकि कोई पार्टनर नहीं, वो अकेला है तो उसका कोई एजेंट नहीं है. बट इन केस ऑफ पार्टनरशिप एवरी पार्टनर इज एन इम्प्लाइड एजेंट ऑफ द फर्म एंड ऑफ अदर पार्टनर्स. Ownership and control. In sole proprietorship, ownership and control is not shared, and in case of partnership, the ownership and control is shared by the partners. Sole proprietorship में ओनरशिप और कंट्रोल शेयर नहीं होता है क्योंकि सिंगल पर्सन है. पार्टनरशिप में ओनरशिप एंड कंट्रोल शेयर होता है बिटवीन द पार्टनर्स. सो दीज आर द 7 डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप एंड पार्टनरशिप. You may learn any 5 differences which you think. Second one is difference between company and partnership. Here again we have made 3 columns: basis of distinction, company and partnership. The first basis is formation. Company is formed by incorporation, रजिस्टर करवा करके, और इसीलिए इसमें लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ बहुत होते हैं. बट पार्टनरशिप इज़ फॉर्म बाय एन अग्रीमेंट एंड देयरफॉर नॉट मच लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ आर देयर. रजिस्ट्रेशन इज़ कंपल्सरी इन केस ऑफ कंपनी बट इट इज़ ऑप्शनल इन केस ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. कंपल्सरी नहीं है, रजिस्ट्रेशन करा लें तो अच्छा है, नहीं कराते तो भी इट्स ओके. लीगल स्टेटस. इन केस ऑफ कंपनी it is separate from members. That means there is separate legal existence. And in case of partnership, no separate legal existence or no separate entity. Then liability. In case of company, the liability is limited to the extent of face value of shares held. And in case of partnership, the liability is unlimited. Then transferability of interest or the shares. In case of company, it is freely transferable except in case of private company, and in case of partnership it is not freely transferable without the consent of all the partners. Implied agency. In case of company, members are not agents of the company, but in case of partnership, partners are the agents of the firm. Management. In case of company, the management is done by elected representatives of managers. And in case of partnership, the management is done by partners themselves. So these are the differences between company and partnership. You may do any 5 differences. Then difference between cooperative society and partnership. There are 3 columns: basis of distinction, cooperative society and partnership. The registration in case of cooperative society is compulsory and the registration in case of partnership is not compulsory. Number of members. In case of cooperative society, there has to be minimum of 10 members and maximum there is no limit. In case of partnership, there has to be minimum of 2 members and maximum of 10 in case of banking and 20 in case of others. Primary objective. The objective of cooperative society is to provide service to members. Main objective क्या है cooperative society का? Members को service provide करना. And partnership, the objective is to earn profits. Management. In case of cooperative society, the management is done by the executive committee. And in case of partnership, the management is done by the partners. Legal status. In case of cooperative society, there is separate legal entity. And in case of partnership, there is no separate legal entity. Government assistance. कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी में जनरली गवर्नमेंट हेल्प अवेलेबल होती है. इट इज़ जनरली अवेलेबल. बट इन केस ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, द गवर्नमेंट असिस्टेंस इज नॉट जनरली अवेलेबल. देन द गवर्निंग लॉ. कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी इज गवर्न्ड बाय द कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज एक्ट 1912 and in case of partnership, it is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. So these are the differences between cooperative society and partnership, and you may do any 5 differences for your long answer. Difference between company and cooperative society. So these are the differences between company and cooperative society. Again, there are 3 columns: basis of distinction, company and cooperative society. Formation. A company is formed under the Companies Act 2013 and cooperative society is formed under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912. Management. The management of the company is done by the board of directors and the management of the cooperative society is done by the managing committee. Then basic object. The basic objective of the company is to earn profits, whereas the basic objective of the cooperative society is to render service to the members. Then voting rights. A company has 1 share 1 vote. मतलब जितना ज़्यादा शेयर उतना ज़्यादा वोट. But cooperative society 1 member 1 vote. मतलब irrespective of the share, every member has the right to cast only and only 1 vote. Then transferability of shares. The shares of the company are transferable, whereas in case of cooperative society, the shares are not transferable, but it may be returned to the society. Privileges. In case of company, no special exemptions, no special privileges are given, but in case of cooperative society, special exemptions or the privileges are given by the government. Then lastly, new shares. Whenever a company issues the shares, the new shares are first offered to the existing members. जो पहले से ही कंपनी के members हैं, नया शेयर पहले उन्हें ऑफर किया जाता है. And in case of cooperative society, the new shares are issued to admit new members. नए members को admit करने के लिए fresh issue किया जाता है. So these are the differences between company and cooperative society. You are required to do any 5 of them. Then the difference between limited liability partnership and general partnership. The first difference in limited liability partnership, every partner has limited liability, and in general partnership, every partner has unlimited liability. Then limited liability partnership, the firm has a separate legal entity, but in case of general partnership the firm doesn't have a legal entity. मतलब लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप में सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी होती है और जनरल पार्टनरशिप में सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी नहीं होती है. Then death, lunacy or bankruptcy of a partner does not affect the continuity of the firm, whereas in case of general partnership the death, lunacy or bankruptcy of a partner dissolves the firm. अगर लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप है तो अगर किसी पार्टनर की डेथ हो जाती है या वो बैंकरप्ट हो जाता है या वो मेंटली अनस्टेबल हो जाता है तो फर्म इफेक्ट नहीं होगा, फर्म कंटिन्यू करेगा. बट अगर जनरल पार्टनरशिप में किसी पार्टनर की डेथ हो जाती है या वो अनसाउंड माइंड का हो जाता है या फिर वो बैंकरप्ट हो जाता है तो उस केस में फर्म डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी, ख़त्म हो जाएगी. Then limited liability partnership must be registered. Registration compulsory है. And general partnership need not be registered. Means registration compulsory नहीं है. And lastly, no restriction on the number of partners in case of limited liability partnership and general partnership. Number of partners is restricted. Limited liability partnership में कोई भी restriction नहीं है मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स पे, एंड जनरल पार्टनरशिप में मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स पर रेस्ट्रिक्शन है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप एंड जनरल partnership. I hope the differences discussed here are clear to you children. These are simply based on the meaning and features of different forms of business organization that we have already discussed. So this is the assignment based on the topic taught here. You have to differentiate between the following. The first one is differentiate between the sole proprietorship and partnership. For this question, you can write any 5 points out of these 7 points as differences between sole proprietorship and partnership. The next question is differentiate between company and partnership. So for this question, you can write any 5 points from these difference between company and partnership. Next question is differentiate between cooperative society and partnership. For this question, you can write any 5 points from these differences. Then you have to differentiate between company and cooperative society. For this question, you can refer to this table and write any 5 differences discussed here. And lastly, you have to differentiate between limited liability partnership and general partnership. For this, you can refer to this table as difference between limited liability partnership and general partnership is given to you, and you can write the answer. I hope the topic as well as the question is clear to you children. Go through the video, revise the differences. These are very simple differences, and complete the written work in your copies. Thank you children.